Hey, Andrew Wood here, and I want to show you a cool little trick to get a lot more traffic to your book website or book landing page. So what I've done here is I've combined a traditional long copy landing page, which I always do for every one of my books. I think this one's about 12 or 13 pages long. It's certainly a big one. So there's my typical landing page, and obviously there's different places they can buy the book along the way if they don't want to actually read the whole thing, but it is a long copy landing page. And then what I've done is I've incorporated a blog into the landing page. So every day I'm posting an excerpt from the book. This one's how to be a famous golf instructor, how to get famous in any industry. This is a little short one here about how Pink chose her style. You see, it's not that long, just a paragraph or two. And I'll just show you another one. This one's a little longer. This is kind of a synopsis of the whole book. It's 12 steps to create your own fame. So every single day I'm posting once a day, and Google are already indexing it every day. So what that means is that I'm immediately getting ranked for SEO. And this is huge. I mean, I've only been doing this a week. I think I've only done 5 posts, and already Google are indexing it every day. So this is a great way to get organic traffic to your book, is create a landing page, a WordPress landing page, and create a blog with it, and then promote it by posting every single day, and you'll quickly find that you get a lot more traffic to your website, and that of course ends up meaning more sales.